Ishdeep Singh Sethi. Thanks for watching my video again. Today I will tell you how to play with Jenga. Today I am making Jenga tower. Do you want to see it? Okay, let's make it. First we have to bring two Jengas. Then in front of them two Jengas more. Then we have to put one Jenga over them. Then one Jenga straight and one more Jenga straight. Then one Jenga like this and second also. Then we have to do this again and again. So I think it will make 36 Jenga towers. 36 layers of Jenga. Okay, let's see how many layers of Jenga it will be. Okay, let's count how many Jenga layers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 Jenga layers now. I think it could be 6 now. Okay, it is 6 Jenga layers now. Okay, I think it will fall at 10th layer. Please don't fall. Okay. Oh wow. See, it is standing on 3 only. Let's make only at 3. Okay, I'm keeping this at here. So let's make at 3 till 38 layers. I think it will fall at 10th. Okay, let's see when it falls. Wow. Let's see how many Jenga layers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10. Oh, it is not falling. It is insidious. Please don't fall. I have to give this. No, I don't have to give this. Okay. Big and bigger. First we have to keep bigger because the bigger weight is heavier and the smaller weight is lower. The bigger first and the smaller last. Okay. I think there is now 13 layers. Okay. I think it could be fall now. Let's count the layers of the. Let's count the layers of the tower. Let's count once again. Let's count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 layers we have made. I think it will be fall. Please don't fall. I think no. Okay. I want to make 20. Please don't fall. Please. Only 20. Please don't fall. Okay, once again. Please, we have to keep bigger, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, Let's see how many Jenga layers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 27 Jenga layers. I think it could be 30. Okay, please don't fall. Please don't fall. It could be fun if there is 30 Jenga layers. It will be record. Please be 30 Jenga layers, please. It will be my best record ever. Okay, last Jenga I have to keep. Let's see now how many Jengas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh shoots! Oh shoots! Please, 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 please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. It is my record. 35 layers. It is my best record ever. Okay, the last. Only the last. See, I made the 36th Jenga tower. It is so best, and it is a record of my ever Jenga tower. Okay, now let's fall it. Okay, from where we fall? From here. Okay, we are falling it. Ready? Ready, go. Oh shoot, it is not falling. Why? Oh, why is it falling? I think there is many weight. Oh, let's. It is the last try. Oh, shoot, man, it's not falling. It's not falling. I don't know how it's falling. I think there is many weight in this. Okay. Oh. The Jenga comes here. I don't know why. Let's try again. And last try. Okay, last try. Yes! Please subscribe.